Hi guys, I'm going to be playing Animal Jam again, and this is going to be another hangout. So let's get started. We just have to wait for my player to get logged in first. Don't forget, members get weekly guidance. Join the club! Expelling phantoms. Oh man, I could have gotten diamonds. Oh well, that would have been cool though. Okay, let's play a game. One of the games I know is On the Beach. And I just went into a building. Yes, it is. Okay, how do I get out? And probably right here, right? Yeah. Yeah, so there's a game right here, and I like playing this one because you connect these things. I'll go on easy first. I wonder what it would do if I went like that. It probably has to go through the middle of it. Yeah, you get more coins. Dang it! That sucks. Okay. Oh, you don't have to go to the middle. Hmm. I used to play this thing all the time. I wonder how long I'm going to be playing this. Okay, let's keep it at that. Okay, let's see if there's anything else. Oh, wait. Aw. Oh well. Okay, let's see what else type of games they have. Froggies. Oh. Okay, that is one creepy looking frog right there. This one right here, that's creepy. Oh, what's this? Yeah! How did this happen? That's so cool! Okay. I honestly don't know what happened, but okay. I'll go with purple. Mm. I honestly don't know what that is. Oh, it's the pattern. Okay, see. I don't know if I like that. Uber Ultra Windjita. Um, Dainty. Hippopotamus. Puppy, raccoon, rhino, robot, pallet. What? Saurus. Oh, Daintysaurus. That would be cool if I saw a Dragosaurus. Greensaurus. Grumpysaurus. Hypersaurus. Jellysaurus. Megasaurus. Noisy orange. Purple. Purpleton. Purpletron. Purple wagon. Purple wolf. Purple found. Purple boy. Oh man, I've already gone through all of them. Okay, let's see. Frog. Purple gal. Uh, purple hamster. No. Red orange. Sea. Sea orange. Super orange. Uber orange. Uber orange. Uber panda. I like that. Yay! We have a pet! Oh, that is so cool! I'm really happy. I'm really, really happy. Colugos. Colugos are also called flying lemurs. Colugos have membranes of skin, much like flying squirrels. This skin helps colugos glide in between the trees they call their homes. Though they cannot actually fly, colugos can glide for over 230 feet while only losing a little altitude. Okay. Oh, that's so cute! Maybe I should have made my pet look like me, to be honest, though. I have two different pets in the ocean. Peaceful. Good stuff. You have to be a member to enter the backward course. Oh well, okay, okay, let's go in there. What's the one? Am I like a level 1 or something? Oh boy, if I am, that's just sad. If I am, where do I go to level up? What is this one for? I don't know what it's for. Is it like a level? Okay, next game, let's go in here. Yay! I'm gonna play this game. I probably suck at it by now, cause I haven't played a lot of games other than maybe Star Planet for a while. And you hear me saying that in like every other video. Typical me. Ready, do it, go! Please don't let me get stuck in any of this stuff. Oh boy, would that suck. Well, I mean, I still have 3 carrots left. Okay, well that was fun. How did I even get the pet though? That's what I kind of want to know. I'm gonna investigate and see if I can get any more pets. 'Cause that was so cool. Oh, it's 'cause I want another pet hamster. Oh, oh, ew, I don't want that to be the color of my hamster. No offense, little guy, I'm so sorry. Okay, what's the color of me? I think I'm probably like, I'll go with this. Micro Froggy. Micro Girl. Mega Horse. Mega Monkey.